Good day, Doctor. Today we'll be presenting our BITS 1313 Data Communication and Networking project. Our group member consists of Fong Ke-sheng, Lee Xing-rong, Teo Chong, and me, Wong Yu-jun. So for the introduction of our project, University Technical Malaysia Malacca, UTM, is a public university that provides academic programs from diploma, degree, master's, and up to PhD level. With the increase in number of computer network users, a network redesign is required for the networking infrastructure of UTM's main campus, including computer center and its 10 sub-network, which is FTMK, FKE, FKA, FKIPP, Postgraduate Center, Chancellery Office, Registrar Office, Library, and Sports Center. The Computer Center UTM's router is given access to the internet through ISP protocol, as you can see here. The firewall is then to block all unauthorized network that access the internet to ensure security of UTM network. So the firewall here is to block all the potential unauthorized access attempts also. The network is then separated by the core switch here in the computer center to 10 sub-network in main campus, which are FTMK switch, FKK switch, FKE switch, the library switch, and the other switch as shown. Out in the FTMK switch, to take as an example, the switch is further branched into workstation and wireless access point. The workstations are connected to each other using wired connection and arranged in bus topology. And wireless access point connects to other devices via wireless connection in star topology. All other subnetwork also has the same layout. And the general layout of the switch connecting to other subnetworks is using the star topology also for the best performance. So now we have networking devices that's used here. We have router, which is a device that connects to 2 or more packet switch networks or some networks and allowing multiple devices to use the same internet connection. Switch connects devices in a network to each other, enabling them to exchange data packets. Wireless access point is a device that creates a wireless local area network, or WLAN. An access point connects to a wire, router, switch, or hub via an internet cable and projects a Wi-Fi signal to a designated area. For the topology that we have used, there's 2 here. One, which is star topology. A star topology is required to connect the core switch in computer center to switch of all subnetwork. The advantages of star topology are robust and easy fault identification, where when one link fails, it will not affect the other links. Bus topology, on the other hand, is the most suitable to connect devices in the switch. One long cable, the backbone, links all the devices in the network. It is suitable because it requires many devices to be connected. Using a star and mesh network will be costly, but bus network is easy for installation. So that's for me. Now we'll pass on to Teo.
In this figure show that the RAN network design and infrastructure of computer center with 3 floors. In this floor contains routers, switch, wireless, service, email service, student information system, SMP, staff information system, SMSM, financial system, SMKB, and UM. One router connect to 3 switches. The first switch connect to the servers. The workstations are connected to the network through the second switch. The final switch establishes a wireless connection with an access point to provide wireless connectivity for device. In this three floor has the same network design. On the first floor, we use URL and email service server. The email service is used to manage the incoming and outgoing emails for the staff and student. And ULEARN is an online learning system that provides education resource course material. On second floor, we use SMP and SMSM server. The SMP server hosts the student information system which manage student-related information. The SMSM server hosts the staff information system which manage staff-related information. On third floor, we use SMKB server. SMKB server hosts the financial system which handle the financial processes. The network topology has been used in this network design are the star topology and bus topology. A star topology is used when each router on the first, second, and third lines connects to the ISP. The bus topology is used when the workstation connect to the second switch on each floor.
For IP subnetting, if the network is assumed to be Class C and each subnet requires 800 hosts, we can calculate the IP address scheme accordingly. And since Class C network provide a maximum of 254 usable host address per subnet, then it's not possible to accommodate 800 hosts within a single Class C subnet. Therefore, we will need to subnet the network further to meet the requirement. So to calculate the bit borrows for 10 subnets, we use 2 power of s more than 10. Then the subnet, the bit borrow for the subnet is 4. And to calculate the number of bit of hosts, we use 2 power of h minus 2 more than or equal to 800. So we get the bit for bit used for host is 10. And to achieve approximately 800 hosts per subnet, we can use a subnet mask of 22, which would allow for 1022 usable host address per subnet calculated by the formula. So assuming the IP address of computer center is 192.168.0.0 with a subnet mask of 22, then the computer center has a network address of 192.168.0.0, and the usable IP range for it is 192.198.0.1 until 192.198.3.254, which has a total of 1022 usable hosts. And so the broadcast address is 192 and 168.3.255, and the same for all the subnetworks. For example, the first subnetwork, subnet 0, which is FTNK, we use the network address at 192.168.4.0, with subnet mask of 22. And for FKE, we use the network address of 0.8.0. Then the following is the same. Like FKE-KK is 12.0, FKM is 16.0, and FKP is 20.0 until the last one, Sport Center, is 40.0. Each subnet has a same IP usable host range, which is 1022.
Hello, my name is Lee Xingrong. Let's start my part of presentation. Description of software. Variety of diagram can be created by using Visual Periodic Online, VP Online, a web-based diagramming tool including network diagram, UML diagram, ERD diagram, flowchart, and more. No matter your level of your experience, you can create professional-looking diagram with VP Online. The feature of VP Online is the first one is a large selection of diagramming tool. The second one is easily navigable interface. The third one is a large selection of template. The fourth is export and sharing option. The fifth is sharing and collaboration. 5.1 The step of using software. Visit the Visual Periodic Online website by searching Visual Periodic Online using a web browser and click on the first link that shows. The second step is sign up for an account and fill in the requirement information. Once your account is activated, then log in to VP Online. The step 3 is after login, you will be directed to the Visual VP Online dashboard. Click on the Create New button to start a new project. Step 4. After clicking the button Create New, search for a network diagram and click on it. Step 5. You will then be directed to this page where you can begin creating your network diagram. Step 6. For example, we will design a simple network diagram with this software. First, you need to drag any symbol you want from left side of the network box to the middle. You can enter the symbol name in the search box to find the symbol. Step 7. Hover your mouse over the symbol and the arrow appears. Then you click on the side of arrow that you want to connect a symbol to another symbol. Step 8. Configuration. A complete network diagram is created. Thank you.